Would you ever do this with your bird, or am I just unhinged?
Come on, Peaches. Come here.